Slim TV back and ready to drop some. So today, we talking about the. Y'all see it on the
Okay.
thumbnail, but we got an ETS mag. 19 rounds. The question I know, buddy. We are clear. You know. Oh, yeah, ain't nothing in there. Pointing the same direction.
FBI? Him.
But everybody be saying the ETS mags be jamming. So I done had mine. Damn. Hair and shit. I done had mine for a couple months, but I ain't never shoot it. I shot it for the first time, I want to say about like sometime last week. What's the date? Hey, what's the date? What's the date? What's the date?
Bitch, bet. Motherfucker, bet.
Yeah, so around like the 20th. I say, boom. Took it to the range and what? You
heard me. What did you say?
I'm making a video, man. God, Jesus, cheese and rice, bro. Like the bro. Yo, and we're back.
Okay.
That's my fault. You know, the lady, man, she in there laying down. I ain't got time for that. I ain't got no time for that.
Do you regret what you did? Nah.
But I got a clip. I know y'all probably just been waiting on a clip. That's probably why y'all here. You know, I'm finna go ahead and play that for y'all. And let me know what y'all think. ETS mag. My shit don't jam good. Overall, for my first time shooting it, no complaints, no jams. But then again, I only ran about 16 shots through it. I'm not for sure. I just really loaded up and just started shooting. I was thirsty, man. But like, comment, subscribe. Get this video to at least 100 likes, and give me 100 likes, 100 comments.
Give it to me!
And then I do a mag done with the ETS mag. I put 100 rounds to it. I'm gone.